If Google Chrome keeps showing an untitled blank page instead of loading websites normally, don't worry. This is a common issue that many users encounter, and in most cases, it can be fixed within just a few minutes. Sometimes Chrome opens a completely blank tab with the word Untitled. Web pages refuse to load, or clicking links leads to an empty white screen. The problem is usually caused by browser extensions, corrupted cache files, startup settings, profile issues, or temporary browser glitches. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the untitled blank page problem in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's start with the simplest solution. Completely close Google Chrome and reopen it. Temporary browser errors can sometimes cause Chrome to display blank tabs instead of loading web pages correctly. After reopening Chrome, try visiting a few websites and check whether the problem has disappeared. If the blank page still appears, refresh the page by pressing Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. Sometimes the page fails to load properly because of a temporary network interruption. Now let's check whether browser extensions are causing the issue. Extensions that modify web pages, block scripts, manage tabs, or change browser behavior can occasionally create blank pages. Type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. Disable all extensions temporarily. Once they're disabled, restart Chrome and test the browser again. If websites begin loading normally, one of the extensions was responsible. You can enable them one at a time to identify the exact extension causing the problem. Another common cause is corrupted cache and cookie data. Open Chrome settings by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Select Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. After the process is complete, restart Chrome and try loading websites again. You should also check Chrome's startup settings. Open Chrome settings and select On Startup. Make sure Chrome is set to open a new tab page or your preferred home page. Incorrect startup configurations can sometimes result in blank untitled pages appearing automatically. Another useful fix is opening Chrome in incognito mode. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses fresh browser data. If websites load correctly in incognito mode, the problem is likely related to an extension or corrupted browser data. If the issue continues, disable hardware acceleration. Open Chrome settings, click System on the left side, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Then click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Graphics-related problems can sometimes cause blank pages or display errors. You should also update Google Chrome to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Browser updates often fix bugs that can lead to page loading problems. Another effective solution is resetting Chrome settings. Search for Reset within Chrome settings and click Restore settings to their original defaults. This will disable extensions and restore browser settings without removing your bookmarks or saved passwords. If none of these methods work, create a new Chrome profile. Sometimes a damaged browser profile can cause blank pages and loading issues. Open Chrome profile settings and create a new user profile, then test whether the problem persists. So that's the easiest way to fix the untitled blank page issue in Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are restarting Chrome, disabling extensions, clearing cache and cookies, checking startup settings, turning off hardware acceleration, updating Chrome, and resetting browser settings if necessary. Most users can solve the issue quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.